This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
All right, so let's go ahead and dive into step 1 where we show you how to top your account. Before you can send traffic to your Zeropark campaign, you will have to top up your account, which just means you have to make a deposit. In order to do so, you're going to want to go to the top up button in the top right corner. And here you're going to get the top up section as your pop-up. So as you can see, you're going to have multiple different payment methods allowed. And the custom amount, which is going to be the minimum amount for Zeropark, is $200. And the payment currency can be selected for you here. So when you are selecting your credit card, as you can see, the minimum has to be $300 as your limitation for a credit card on your first top-up amount. But you can change it to the minimum of $200 after you have processed your first payment. But it's best, honestly, to start with $500, and as you can see, there's going to be service fees. So these service fees are percentages of the top-up amount. It covers the operating costs of the Zeropark platform for advertisers and publishers, including facilitating secure transactions, developing products and services, and providing 24/7 campaign approval. And so you'll get your grand total right here. For web money, so you also see that you have a service fee for web money. So there's going to be a 2% service charge and then a monthly maximum of $5,000. And with PayPal, you're going to get a 4% service charge, and that'll be in addition to your top-up amounts. And you can modify your custom amount if you would like to. And also your monthly maximum is also $5,000. So if you'd like to increase that, you need to speak with your account manager or someone on the customer success team. So it's also important to note that if you are using a different PayPal email address that is different than the email address that you're using from Zeropark, then you're going to have to complete a verification process that will be described to you in more detail when you process the payment method and log into your PayPal account. And then also the last payment option you have for a minimum of $1,000 is going to be a bank transfer. So once you have topped up your account, you will have access to your receipts. So you can review if you have any taxes, which are additional payments, and you can also review any service fees. And if you want to review any of your receipts or documentation, all you have to do is go to the payment section of your dashboard, and you will get all of that information regarding any fees, refunds, or bonuses, and you're all set.